Welcome back to Afternoon Agenda. Olivia Newton-John's legacy is continuing to help cancer patients. Her research institute has been awarded a $2.1 million grant to establish a cutting-edge lab focusing on precision cancer medicine. Joining us live now is Kerry, Strydom, CEO of the Australian Cancer Research Foundation. Kerry, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. This funding is going to focus on precision cancer medicine. Can you explain to us exactly what that is and how it helps patients?
Absolutely, and thank you for the opportunity to share this wonderful news. So as the term precision suggests, this is actually achieved by determining the most effective treatment for the cancer, for a particular patient's cancer profile, instead of a sort of one-size-fits-all approach. And it has been shown that precision oncology can benefit up to 50% of cancer patients.
How is it different to other treatments?
So the lab's going to explore what's known as a theranostic technique. And this is a form of precision medicine which actually combines radioisotopes to both diagnose and treat a tumor. So this particular project will have three goals. Firstly, exploring improved imaging techniques. Obviously, if you can see things better, leads to a better prognosis. Then identifying new theranostic targets. And then, of course, delivering new therapies to the tumour. So it really does have huge potential to better control advanced cancer and also enhance quality of life for people going for a cancer treatment.
Is this the way forward in cancer treatment?
We certainly seeing a lot of activity in this area, a lot of research, and we think it could be the next big thing in cancer treatment. And what we'll be doing with this grant given by ASCRF to the Olivia Newton-John Cancer Research Institute is actually scaling up the translation of these new approaches from the lab into the clinic. It's really going to be bringing about these experts in the lab who typically focus on cancer biology and chemistry and bring them together with oncologists who are researching better treatments options for their patients. So it's really very exciting. It'll cover several cancer types as we do at ASCRF. And of course, I have to say it's been made possible by the wonderful people supporting Australian Cancer Research Foundation.
What impact do you expect this new lab is going to have, and what difference will it make to the health of Australians?
Well, the wonderful thing is, although all the work and the research will be conducted within the precinct down in Victoria, the impact will be that the outcomes will be going through to the rest of Australia through multi-centre clinical trials. So it really will help Australians who have a cancer diagnosis where quite often there isn't another option to get access to these new treatments sooner than would have been the case without this facility.
It's great to see that Olivia Newton-John's legacy is being continued. She shared this passion of getting better results for cancer patients, and I'm sure she would have been delighted to know that her centre is being awarded these funds.
I'm sure she will. It actually builds on a grant that we'd given them previously for tumour imaging. And I was very privileged to meet the late, great Dame Olivia at the lab opening down in Victoria in 2018. So it was something I'll always remember, particularly her kindness and her authenticity in terms of really caring for people who have had a cancer diagnosis.
The money will be formally awarded at the Sydney Opera House this evening. Are you looking forward to the event?
We actually had it on Tuesday and it was sensational. We had an event where Emeritus Professor Ian Fraser gave us a keynote address because he himself has been the co-inventor of a technology that's been used for cervical cancer vaccination. And he's just a legend, great Australian, and it was an absolute honour to have him there. The grant was awarded by the New South Wales Governor, Her Excellency Margaret Beazley. It was just a really wonderful celebration of brilliant cancer research happening in Australia.
That's great to hear. Kerry, Strydom, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us this afternoon. We appreciate it.